Hi, this is Nervape James. I'm going to be doing the Nervape 3X digital objects and scan tutorial. Here you can see this, I'm scanning with my iPhone from the back of the phone. That's not working, but when I scan the top edge, there you can see the pop-up. And here I'm trying to scan the hands. So the first part was the top of the head. The next location is the hands, and you can do the back of the hands or the palm of the hands. Here, if I scan the back of the hands with the edge of my top edge of my phone, there you can see the pop-up come up to claim my digital objects. Next, I'm going to do the feet. So for the feet, you want to scan the bottom of the feet there, and there you can see it successfully opens up the pop-up. And then I'm going to scan the other foot, also in the same fashion, right about there, and that's where the pop-up will come up. Here, I'm going to scan the back of the hand again, and there the pop-up shows up. Okay, so that's how you scan your Nervape. Next, we're going to go over the pop-up and the link that the web page that the link opens. So here, we open that link, and great. Now we're going to go into the system. Here is our website, the digital objects website to claim. You need to connect your Joy ID, OKX, or Unisat wallet. Here I'm going to connect my Joy ID wallet and use my passkey. Cool. And then it comes with a approve pop-up sign. You're gonna click approve. And now you see here there's a dash in the circle. If you have an N symbol with a plus sign, that means you need to generate or connect a CKB address to your BTC address. A link to how to do that is in the description. Now I want to register my Nervape artifact. To do that, open up your box and you'll find this cute pamphlet here, and then also these collectible ID cards. Within the collectible ID cards, you'll find your digital object activation code. Okay, just to be careful, make sure that when you do enter your activation code, that if you're having trouble, that maybe the 0 is an O, the letter O, or the letter O is a 0. So just be careful of that. So the activation code went through, and now it looks like after the signatures, here you can see I've activated my digital object. It's updating data, and then look, now it's a square with a pen inside. That means I've claimed my digital objects. Yay! And now I can do on-chain transactions like edit the names of my digital objects. So I'm going to change it to Calm Blue Jay Body. And then I'm going to approve the pop-up. It's going to cost me about 65 CKB, so make sure you have some extra CKB to process the network fee. Cool, and I have to do some more signatures to change the name, and then it's going to take some time. You see here it says renaming. Here, if I click on the symbol on the upper right, there's an activity record. So that's the kind of clock symbol. And then also there's some more information here. That's like your BTC address and your Nervos address. If I click the bottom tab, that gives us some information about the DOB, and also there's a link that opens it to on-chain to the Explorer. And here you can see the Explorer gives some information about your DOB on-chain. Now if I click on the arrow on the upper right, it gives us some details like materials, product specifications, and a description. Go ahead and read that. I helped write that with the team, and also you get to see the team behind it, and also our contact information. Great, now let's go back to nervape.com. Let's see when we connect our wallet on the website where we can find our DOBs. So here I'm signing with my Joy ID wallet. And then now that I'm signed in, I go to my Nervape assets, I scroll down, and then there is a button that says switch mode. So I'm gonna click on switch mode. And then the switch mode, there's a Nervape original, there's a Nervape 3X, and there you can see my claim DOBs. When you scan and claim one body part or subunit on your Nervape 3X, it claims all 5 of them. So here you can see all 5 subunits: the arms, the legs, and the body. Here you can see that some of the subunits are still unnamed, and also it looks like it's still taking time to obtain. Also, you can press the tab to see the other subunits, the arms and the legs. Okay, great. The name is now refreshed for the body subunit. Great, so that's our scan and DOB tutorial. Here you can see for your Nervape 3X that the arms and legs are movable. And also, if you have any more questions, please be sure to reach out to us on Discord or X. And have a great day and enjoy your Nervape 3X.